In this guide we will go through the methods of reader tag enrollment in Access Portal. This is useful when the site does not have access to an MDE enrollment unit. There are two enrollment options you can follow. For the first method, begin by tagging your new access tag at a reader on site. This will generate a denied unknown tag transaction in the live view. In the Quick View panel, select the denied transaction user. The Quick Enroll panel will open. Enter in the credential holder's details. To assign the credential holders access groups, select the access group entry. The access group menu will open. Select the appropriate access groups for this credential holder. Once all the credential holders' information has been captured, select the Save option. The credential holder will now have access to the site as determined by their access group. Under the Tag Holder menu, you will also see the credential holder as a new entry. Navigating to the profile, you will see the details you have entered for this user, which can now be further edited depending on your site requirements. For the second method, begin by tagging your new tag on one of your site readers. You will once again see the denied unknown tag transaction on the live view. For this method you will simply copy the tag code presented in the transaction view. Then navigate to the Enrollment menu and select the Tag Holder sub-menu. Create a new user by clicking the plus icon at the top of the screen. Complete the details for your new credential holder. Then save. Select the Tags menu. And create a new tag. Select the Enrollment Wizard option. And select to enroll card. We are going to be using the Manually Enter option. Paste the saved tag code from the denied transaction under Tag Code. Under the Tag Type option, you will select the frequency of the tag you are enrolling. This information will generally be provided by your supplier. Once the fields have been completed, use the Save option to commit the changes. Remember to assign an access group to your new credential holder. In this guide we covered the various methods of reader enrollment in Access Portal without the use of an MDE.